We're here at Collegetown Center to take a look at apartment number 211. This is a north rectangle style apartment. As we go into the unit, we'll see that we have the kitchen on the right. So there's the refrigerator, dishwasher, and sink. You'll see some cabinets and drawers. There's a microwave and stove in all of the apartments. This apartment has a couple of differences from the other apartments on the floor. The number 11, this is the only style like this where the closet door and the bathroom door are directly across from each other. On the other odd number style apartments, the bathroom door will be closer into the kitchen. So this is directly across from the closet. The bathroom is the one on the left. Let's pass by there. As you can see, it's the same bathroom layout, it's just where the door is located. And this one has, like all the others, the full-size tub shower, the vanity, the toilet, and there's also a medicine cabinet over on the right. The closet, there's the kitchen we came through, the closet, a nice big closet over here. And as we go into the apartment, it's the same overall size as the other ones. Number 11 is in the position on the farthest west part of the floor for studios. So we are closer to Collegetown Plaza. The apartments will always be furnished with your bookshelf, dresser, full-size bed, desk and chair. There's the dining table and chair. Here's the other feature that is in these number 11 units. We've got that retaining post here. So that's specifically in these, that's just a building support post that goes through the apartment. That's common to have in apartments, and it's in the number 11 style units. So let's go on over towards the window. You can see the air conditioner under the window. So again, we're on the street or north side of the building. That's Dryden Road below us down over here. You can see Collegetown Plaza over to our left is that big red brick building. Being in the number 11 position, we do have more open sky over to our left. You can sometimes get a little sliver of Cuba Lake in the winter, especially from these 11 apartments. And so that's a look at a number 11 style apartment. We're on the second floor. This unit is available on floors 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 here in this 6th floor building in Central Collegetown at 151 Dryden Road, and we're just one block from campus.